Hi there, this is Kayla Kincannon. My pronouns are she, her, hers, and I'm a neurodivergent, bisexual, occupational therapist, educator, researcher, entrepreneur, accessibility analyst, and human rights advocate in the Philadelphia area, and I'm the founder and owner of Collaborative Relational and Sexual Health Consulting, LLC, which you probably know as Crash. I'm wearing a black and rainbow detailed jacket. I've got curly-ish orange hair and some makeup on. Today, I am launching Crash's Mentorship Program. This has been requested. This has been informally already happening, but now I'm making it formal and I'm also keeping it free. I'm gonna be holding up printouts of the Instagram graphic designs that I made because I'm not tech savvy enough to put them on the screen next to me, and I also wanna tell you what's on them. So we have to start at the beginning with the mission statement. So Crash Consulting exists because a life full of healthy relationships is a right. And people with and without disabilities, loved ones, and service providers can count on Crash to accurately, holistically, and inclusively answer your most sensitive questions and help prepare you for the unexpected. Now, I want to tell you what mentorship usually looks like because I never took a business class. Mentorship goes by different names. It goes by mentorship, coaching, supervision, whatever you want to call it. There's a person or a business with information represented by this light bulb up here. And there's a person or a business that wants that information. Usually what happens is the person that wants information has to pay hundreds or thousands of dollars to the person with it in exchange for some time, some continuing ed units, some PDF resources, and a lot of upselling. Now, I'm not bashing mentorship programs that exist in that cycle. A lot of you are my colleagues and my friends, and whether you're the mentor or the mentee, good for you. I'm happy for you. Honestly, I would have signed up for those because they sound amazing. I just couldn't afford it. And that's why it's not good for Crash, because I am a student, I have had financial uncertainty, and I don't want anyone making sacrifices for information that I have, because Crash's mission is that this information is human right to know. I've spent several months coming up with the plan for this because I couldn't find another supervision, coaching, mentorship, whatever you want to call it, program that is free. But I don't like to take your money. And I've never heard of an entrepreneur say that, so I had to make this up on my own. And this quote by Rear Admiral Grace Murray Hopper describes it. I found Grace because I always look to women and gender minorities and other marginalized identity holders in leadership for how I should better myself and my business. And she said, the most dangerous phrase in our language is "we've always done it this way." And Grace, you were ahead of your time, and I couldn't agree more. I've spent thousands of hours, thousands of dollars, read thousands of articles, and had thousands of conversations with people, and I don't plan on stopping anytime soon. But like I said on the first page, this stuff is human right to know, and I don't want to charge you for what I've had to go above and beyond to learn, because I think you should just have it. So that mentorship model works for you. Keep it up. Proud of you. No judgment. But it doesn't work for Crash because it doesn't work for me. Bring on the triangle model. 1, triangles are my favorite shape. 2, triangles are the strongest shape that exists, I think, in geometry. Again, not a math person. Let's simplify. I'm at the top. That's me and Crash and my international network who has expertise on all sorts of subjects. You're here, sorry. You want this information, but I don't want your money, so we have to bring in a third group. And what's more valuable to me than your money or any dollar amount that I could put on my time is your referral. You're involved in schools, universities, hospitals, workplaces, nonprofits, governments, corporations, and those groups have budgets for professional development. I want you to refer Crash to present and then I'm your mentor for free. It's a win-win. You get free mentorship, and I get to share the message with an audience that wouldn't typically find me or my content. All you have to do is share this flyer with those people, and we'll get the ball rolling. It's linked down below, and I can't wait to collaborate with you. You might be asking, Kayla, why don't you just keep it free? You're already answering my questions. You're already answering my emails. Because I'm a person and a business owner. As a person, as Kayla, and as a business owner of Crash still needs to have an income. I, as a person, live in a capitalist society and need money to take care of myself and survive. And I'm not in this business to be a millionaire or to take your money when you're trying to do the right thing. Crash needs money because I have big business plans. I want to have co-facilitators with me. I want to pay for their time and their expertise and their travel, and I want to invite them to panels and conferences, and I can't do that if I don't have money in the bank. Let's keep up the good work. Bye.